My name is Honza Koudelka. I am from 240 Software, based in Prague, Czech Republic. Today I will be talking about optimization and audit. Let me start with what are the top user complaints about software. This time I will take a look at the first two most common complaints, which are about reliability and scalability. And interestingly, we can go back to the definition of the word fast, because now we are talking about the second one. This second meaning is closer to the origin of the English word fast. Do you know where the English word fast comes from? From the German word fest. And that what it means about what's the second meaning, right? If it's fast, then it's hard to move, it's safe. So fasten your seatbelt comes from the same word, fast, but using the meaning which is the German word fast. So seatbelt is making you safe. And I guess you all know what can happen if you forget to fasten your seatbelt. Can this happen to your company as well? Or your customer? I guess you know the KLM airline. Did you know that KLM actually made its first flight in 1920 and that today is the oldest continuously operating airline in the world? KLM definitely knows what it means to be scalable and what it means to last for long. And that's probably the reason they turned to us to help them audit their solution. Actually, I'm talking about KLM, but who turned to us was Medium, which is just a department within KLM that's based in Turkey. And Medium is responsible for content management. And all websites belonging to KLM, Air France, and some of their partners are managed by Medium. And this solution was designed by this developer, and last year he turned to us. The main concern he had was what's necessary in his design, in his code, to make the solution last for long, to make it scalable, make his development efficient, and avoid errors he might be doing by not having enough experience. So we started analyzing his solution. We spent several hours talking to him over Skype and examining the solution, understanding their processes. And then we generated a report commenting on what they do right and what they do wrong. And they did something right, which is great. And I guess if my team examines any of your solutions, we will find definitely many things that are right. The fact that you are at a FileMaker Konferenz, even if it was your first one, means that you care about the quality of your solution. It means you care about the quality of your skills. So if you care about your skills, your solutions will definitely have something good in them. And we want to emphasize that, so we did emphasize few things for merit. And we even found one outstanding benefit that we don't find in many solutions. But we of course found also some issues we could help him with. Let me focus on just a single one for the moment, which was the database structure. So what we definitely suggested is turn it to a relationship model and use related table. So after applying our advice, he turned this original design of the time tracking sheet to this one. It's more reliable, easier to use, and users are more happy. So to summarize what we did as a result of, or what we provided as a result of the audit, is that we did an audit summary report that had 34 pages summarizing what we discovered and advising what to do with the issues that we found. So as a result for the customer, they have better user experience, they have more happy users. The solution performs better. They get better data protection. They are now tracking for every record who modified it last, when, and they have a better backup strategy. And the solution is easier to maintain and develop because we were helping KLM to redesign the solution. We help them also to apply some development conventions so that the structure is easy to navigate in. And now Mert can get more people to work on this development project with him because they will be able to work as a team. And he got a lot of inspiration for future improvements.
That's all for now. I would like to thank you for watching this video to the end, and because I value your time you have spent watching it, let me give you 30 minutes of my time in return. Just use this link and schedule one free 30-minute consultation. I look forward to talking to you.